seconds ago, 26 too long, and I'm already peeing on myself. Okay. There's an advertisement? Are you kidding me right now? I don't have time for advertisements. The one time I get an advertisement. Are you kidding? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I don't care if I wake up the whole house. I really don't care right now. They don't even have the Korean in it. They just have the English. Okay, no, 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 no. No, no, we gotta put this in 1080, 1080, 1080 all day, 1080 all day. Okay, okay, load a little bit. Okay, full screen, pray. Okay, let's go, let's go. Prayer circle. Oh my god. Yes, I want all of you in my house. No, nothing will ever amount to any. What? Shut up, Dayan. Shut up. No, 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 no. Don't break anything. Don't break anything. Dayan, what are you wearing? What is? Oh my god. There's a stripper pole. Why do you want a stripper pole? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! No, you're not anything. You're barely a tornado. Shut up. You ain't nothing. No. Stop. I'm sweaty. This is Dahyun's song. Nobody has said nothing yet, in my opinion. This is like beautiful driving. Of course you're driving. I love when you drive. The roof is on fire! The roof is... No, the roof. Shut up, shut up, shut up. No, 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 no. No. They've been walking that same street for about 55 minutes now. Oh, he's so cute. There's so much hair. It's so, he looks, oh, why is there so much hair? That's a lot of curls. This song is actually really, really good. I just don't like the chorus. What? Chorus? I can talk, right? I totally can talk. Yes! Dance from... All they need to do is dance. They don't even need to rap. They don't need to no. It's them two who need to. Yes, break it down now. Break it down one time real quick. Turn it up now. Burn it up now. Put the mic and shout out to you now. Turn it up now. Burn it up now. Whistles. I love how they managed to keep the whistles for so long. I love that. You're a hurricane, you're not a hurricane? Really? Come on. You're a hurricane. Okay? You're a hurricane of emotions! All that water needs to quench my thirst from that hurricane. Let me tell you one time real quick. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. Just... Okay. Okay. Just... Okay. For a second I thought I wasn't recording, but okay. Just okay. I'm done. that was okay. I'm done.